welcome back to Read Kids Club. Today we received this toy race car from Vatos. It seems like a really cool race car. I love the design. Super cool.
It's got some good colors.
Yeah.
Kind of like a green and stuff.
Yeah.
And what does it have on the top of it?
Black.
Spider?
I think so. It's so like black. Okay, let's test it out. So, here we have the box that came in.
It's a race car!
Oh.
Wow, it's like a monster truck.
Yeah.
Dean, is it a monster truck?
Yeah.
You love monster trucks? He's even got a truck on his shirt today, just for this. All right, is the remote in there, guys?
Yeah. You can get it out.
So we decided to test this race car out in our neighbor's field. He's got quite a huge field and the crops have already been harvested. So this is kind of a perfect spot to test it out. All right, guys.
Also, it came with the charger.
Oh, cool.
All right, let's get started.
All right. So go ahead and set it down on the ground and turn the remote on.
Okay, let's go.
Whoa, that's fast.
It's stuck. It's stuck.
Get it out.
Okay, that is
Let's
fast.
see it. Here, make the wheels go around. Wow,
Whoa.
pretty powerful, huh?
Okay.
Wow, that's going so far. It's pretty good at off-roading.
I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you.
Okay, let's give someone else a turn. You want to give Grace a turn?
Okay.
Seems to be too much hay over here. So maybe let's move to our field. All right, Grace is taking a turn now. We're in our field. It seems to be doing a lot better in the grass. Get it going, Grace. Whoa!
Whoa!
That's awesome. Whoa, it's doing great on the gravel. Wow. Grace, is it pretty fun? Whoa. Oh my gosh. That's awesome.
Okay, Grace, send it.
Whoa.
Let's get it. And then
Oh, got stuck in a mole hole. Whoa. That is so fun, you guys. I wonder what would happen if we drove it through that little puddle.
Not that one, Grace. That's too big.
I don't know. Let's start at the end of the puddle. Let's see what happens.
Let's start at this little one, actually.
That one's too small.
Okay.
Just right there.
Okay, I got you.
See, I think it could handle the big puddle. Wow. Kids are having a great time chasing this toy. It's kind of like when you put a laser pointer down for a cat. Move it all around. It's like that with this little car. They keep trying to catch it, but they just can't. Should we give Dean a shot, you guys? Let's let Dean drive it.
Show you. You push this button. It goes. It's this. Hold it.
Wow, good job, Dean. Oh, going right for the road. Well, more like the ditch. Oh,
I gotta get it.
go get it. Guys, I think this could easily be hours of family entertainment. No joke. This is super fun. You could play it with the kids could play it on their own. You could play it with your pets probably.
Maybe if they know how.
Dean is 2 years old and oh, he drove it through the puddle. Dean's 2 years old and he's even figured out how to drive it now. So pretty user friendly.
I gotta push it in the road.
Super fun. All
I
right,
wanna
Dean.
push the button.
Yeah, do it.
It's like it's going real by itself.
Back in business. Woo!
I'm gonna get you. Got you. No.
All right, guys.
I'm gonna get you. At Rick Kids Club. Peace out.